7 plus 1 parenthesis 10 divided by 5 times 4. 7 plus 1 will give us 8. Then we have 8 parenthesis 10 divided by 5 times 4. 10 divided by 5 will give us 2. Then 2 times 4. Put it in our parentheses. Then bring down our 8 here. 2 times 4 will give us 8. Then we have 8 times 8. 8 times 8 is 64. 64 is the wrong answer to this question because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right. In order to arrive in a very correct answer, let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to work with our parentheses because it comes first. In our parentheses, we have a division and a multiplication. We are going to solve the division first because division and multiplication have equal priorities. So we have to work from our left to our right. 10 divided by 5 will give us 2. Then we have 2 times 4. Putting in our parentheses, we will bring down our 7 plus 1. Now our parentheses, 2 times 4 will give us 8. Then we have 7 plus 1 times 8. If a number is close to parentheses, note that there's a multiplication sign in between, which is this multiplication sign here. We are going to solve our multiplication first because it comes first before addition. 1 times 8 will give us 8. Then we have 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 is equals to 15. 15 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.